Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today we are actually going to learn a small shortcut key that is very much useful for you while calculating the sum of a certain set of numbers. Okay, so as we all know, usually what we uh, do is we use the sum function. There's a function called sum to calculate the sum of a list of a group of numbers. Okay, so here we have a table. For example, we have a table named Karnataka. In that we have name, quarter one, Q1, Q2, Q3, and we have some numbers inside that against each name. So if I want to see the sum of Q1, what I will do is like I will just place my cursor over here, okay, and type the formulas is equal to sum. Then select the range, okay, okay. We got 65. Similarly, if you want to see the sum for Q2, I will type sum, then drag it from here, okay. So this is okay. Like it's a the proper way of doing. But imagine that we have a huge number of columns for whom we have to find the sum. So every time we have to go there and manually type the sum function each time, and it will consume a lot of time. Okay. So for that we have a shortcut for that. So I will just show you the shortcut key for that. So for example, if you want to see the sum for Q1, just select from the first number till the blank column where you want the sum to appear. Okay. So I am placing my I am selecting from C6 to C11. Okay. C11 is the column where is the cell where I want to get the sum. So I am selecting till there. Then I am applying a shortcut key, which is very easy. Click on the Alt key and then click on equal sign. See, you got it. It's 168. So if you want for Q2 also, you can try it similarly. Select the area, click on Alt plus equal. Okay, that's quite easy. But what if you have a huge number of columns for whom you want to find for the sum? It will be a little bit time consuming. So for that also there is another way of doing it with the same shortcut key. Click on all the data in all the tables, okay, like this, up to the blank cell where you want the total to be displayed. So I have selected from cell C6 to F10. Okay, no, sorry, F11, from C6 to F11. Then I am again applying the same shortcut key, Alt plus equal. See, all the sum has been displayed in a single click, in a single shortcut key, with a single shortcut key. So this looks pretty interesting, right? It's too easy. So if you have a large number of columns, you can surely apply this shortcut key to save your valuable time. And so that's it from my side today. So I hope you really enjoyed this shortcut key. So if you like this video, please like this video, share it, and also provide your valuable comments in the comment section. And for those who are coming for the channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe the button, and also while subscribing, please click on the bell icon so you get further notifications when I come up with a new video next time. So till I come with my video next time, please stay tuned. Bye. Have a great day.